Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into the best stair trim ideas. From classic to modern designs, I'll show you what makes these trims stand out and why they're perfect for your home. Let's get started. This stairway is a stunning blend of traditional charm and modern functionality. I love the natural wood trim on the stairs, which adds warmth and character to the space. The curved railing beautifully complements the circular wall design, creating a smooth and elegant flow. The addition of the small wall decorations like the bats and skeleton gives it a playful, seasonal touch without overwhelming the space. The white walls and light carpet runner keep the area feeling bright and open. To enhance this setup, I would add a few more modern light fixtures to improve the ambiance and highlight the stairway's architectural features even more. I absolutely adore the rustic charm of this stairway area. The wood trim and posts add a cozy farmhouse feel that is both inviting and timeless. The carpet runner on the stairs provides a comfortable and safe surface, while the garland decoration gives it a festive touch. The mix of wood tones in the flooring and beams creates a cohesive look that ties the whole space together. However, I would consider adding some wall sconces or statement light fixture above the stairs to enhance the lighting and highlight the beautiful woodwork even more. Overall, it's a warm and welcoming entryway. This stairway design is absolutely charming with its elegant simplicity. I love the combination of the white spindles and the natural wood handrail, which gives it a classic and timeless look. The vintage door with a wreath and the cozy seating area underneath add a touch of rustic charm and create a welcoming nook. The oversized lantern-style light fixture is a beautiful statement piece that complements the overall aesthetic. To make this space even better, I would add a soft neutral rug to the seating area for additional warmth and comfort. This setup is both functional and visually appealing, making it a standout feature in any home. This stairway has a modern elegance that I find very appealing. The contrast between the dark wood handrail and posts against the white spindles creates a striking visual effect. I appreciate the clean lines and the sophisticated feel it brings to the space. The wall sconces add a touch of elegance and provide soft, ambient lighting, enhancing the overall aesthetic. The neutral carpet on the stairs adds warmth and comfort, making it practical for daily use. If I were to improve this design, I would incorporate a bold piece of artwork on the wall to add a pop of color and create a focal point. This stairway is both stylish and functional. This stairway is a masterpiece of dark, dramatic elegance. I love the rich, dark wood and the intricate iron balusters, which add a touch of sophistication. The gallery wall is a fantastic feature with its eclectic mix of art and decor pieces that create a personalized and visually interesting backdrop. The white walls and trim provide a beautiful contrast, highlighting the dark wood and making the space feel bright yet cozy. The decorative pumpkins are a charming seasonal touch. To enhance this setup, I would add a runner with a subtle pattern to add texture and warmth to the stairs. This space is both stylish and inviting, perfect for making a statement. I adore the fresh and modern look of this stairway. The natural wood steps paired with the white risers featuring subtle geometric patterns create a clean and contemporary aesthetic. The light color palette keeps the space feeling open and airy, which is perfect for smaller areas. The artwork on the wall adds a pop of color and a focal point that draws the eye upward. The minimalist design of the stair railing complements the overall simplicity and elegance of the space. To enhance this setup, I might add a small runner in a neutral tone for added comfort and to tie the look together. This stairway is stylish and perfectly functional. I am captivated by the sleek and modern design of this stairway. The black trim and handrail create a bold contrast against the white steps, giving it a striking and sophisticated look. The curved design adds a touch of elegance, making it a standout feature in the home. The round table at the base of the stairs is a perfect addition, offering a spot for decorative items like the white vases and greenery, which add a touch of freshness to the space. The minimalistic decor enhances the modern aesthetic. To improve this setup, I might add a textured runner to the stairs for added safety and a bit of warmth. This stairway is both functional and visually stunning. I am in love with the charming and rustic appeal of this stairway. The white trim and balusters provide a crisp and clean look, perfectly contrasting the warm wood steps. The shiplap wall adds a cozy farmhouse feel, and the decorative fireplace mantel is a unique touch that adds character to the space. I adore the round mirror and the simple yet stylish decor pieces on the mantel, which enhance the welcoming ambiance. The pops of green from the plants bring a bit of nature indoors. To make this space even better, I would consider adding a soft patterned runner to the stairs for added warmth and texture. This entryway is both inviting and beautifully designed. This stairway exudes a cozy and welcoming charm that I absolutely adore. The white trim and balusters create a clean, classic look, while the black iron spindles add a touch of rustic elegance. I love the practicality of the baby gate, which blends seamlessly with the overall design and provides safety without sacrificing style. The gallery wall, filled with family photos, adds a personal and heartfelt touch, making the space feel truly lived in. The light-colored carpet is a great choice for comfort and warmth, especially in a family-oriented home. To enhance this space, I might add a runner with a subtle pattern to add texture and visual interest. This stairway is both functional and beautifully designed. I love the warm and inviting look of this stairway. The rich wood trim and handrail provide a beautiful contrast against the white spindles and risers, creating a clean and classic aesthetic. The dark wood flooring adds depth and complements the overall design. The simple decor, like the glass vase with greenery and the woven basket, adds a touch of rustic charm without overwhelming the space. The mirror above the console table reflects light, making the area feel more open and bright. To enhance this space, I might add a runner with a subtle pattern for added comfort and to protect the wood steps. This stairway is both functional and stylish, offering a perfect balance of elegance and warmth. I am absolutely enchanted by the charming and eclectic decor of this stairway area. The white trim and balusters paired with the warm wood handrail and steps create a lovely contrast. The shiplap wall adds a cozy, rustic feel, and the decor on the table beneath the stairs is beautifully curated. I love the mix of textures and elements, from the vintage mirror to the wooden ladder and greenery in the glass vase. The personalized sign adds a heartfelt touch to the space. To enhance this setup, I might add a small patterned rug under the table to bring in more color and warmth. This area is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, perfect for a welcoming home. I love the clean and elegant design of this stairway. The white trim and balusters create a crisp, cohesive look that complements the neutral carpet on the stairs. The archway and wainscoting add architectural interest and a touch of sophistication to the space. The dried floral arrangement on the newel post and the greenery on the console table provide a natural element that brings warmth to the area. The light wood flooring contrasts beautifully with the white walls and trim, adding depth and texture. To enhance this space, I might add a decorative runner on the stairs to introduce a bit more color and pattern. This stairway is both functional and visually appealing, perfect for a stylish home. I really appreciate the open and airy feel of this living room and stairway. The white trim and balusters, paired with the dark iron spindles, create a striking and elegant contrast. The stairway seamlessly integrates with the living space, adding a stylish architectural element. The light-colored carpet on the stairs adds warmth and comfort, which is great for a family-friendly environment. The gray walls provide a neutral backdrop that makes the furniture and decor pop. The sectional sofa and plush ottoman offer a cozy and inviting seating area. To enhance this space, I might add a colorful runner on the stairs to introduce a bit more vibrancy and tie in the accent colors from the pillows. This setup is both functional and beautifully designed. I adore the classic and charming feel of this stairway. The intricate white trim and balusters give the space a timeless elegance, and the large newel posts add a touch of grandeur. The neutral carpet runner on the stairs provides comfort and blends seamlessly with the light-colored walls, creating a cohesive look. The radiator cover and the small console table with a lamp and plant add both functionality and decorative appeal to the entryway. The framed photos on the wall personalize the space, making it feel warm and inviting. To enhance this area, I might add a bit of color through the runner or a decorative piece to introduce some visual interest. This stairway is both practical and beautifully detailed. This stairway exudes a rich, historic charm that I find incredibly captivating. The dark wood trim and steps create a dramatic and elegant atmosphere, beautifully contrasted by the pristine white walls. The standout feature is undoubtedly the stunning chandelier, which adds a touch of grandeur and sophistication to the space. The runner on the floor complements the dark wood, adding warmth and texture while guiding the eye toward the stairs. The unique console table and artwork enhance the entryway's artistic and luxurious feel. To further elevate this space, I might add some subtle, modern lighting along the stairs to highlight the beautiful wood grain and provide additional ambiance. This stairway is a perfect blend of classic elegance and contemporary flair. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the best stair trim ideas. I hope you found some inspiration for your own home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. See you in the next video.